Dan Unfiltered checking out Destroy, Rebuild Until God Shows. Drugs. Destiny. That's a great band name, by the way. Well done. This comes from Amagam. If you guys have any requests, just click that. Appreciate you as always. I've heard Steel, so this will be the second I will have heard. Ooh. Oh. Go. Talk. I like the writing on that. I'm gonna rewind that a little bit. I like that chorus. When I wake up, I got a different lie. What? I wanted him to stay in that little spot for a minute. Just to stay there for a minute. The little keys came in. Deep in my body, I felt you. Sounds sweet. I felt you leave. Ah! Ah! When I wake up, put the past aside and we can make up. I got a different life. I think that destiny took you from me. When I wake up, put the past aside and we can make up. I got a different life. Talk to her. That was fucking good. I like the song Steel. I like that song. It's a good song. That smoked it like a cheap blunt. That smoked Steel. And again, I like Steel. It's a good song. But that song's like another tier. And One, the lyrics. Love the lyrics. Those are great, especially the chorus. But it was about around the bridge. I'm like, all right, this might be playlist worthy. The hollowed playlist. Not that many songs make it on there. Of the thousands and thousands we've heard, not many make it on the hollowed playlist. This I think this does. When they brought it back one more time, and that final verse going out, and then the chorus came, and he kind of had the backing vocals showed up. Just great stuff. Great stuff. Again, I am a sucker for breakup songs if written correctly. I think the writing on breakup songs just means so much. It just does like a party song. Who cares that much about the writing? Good writing's a bonus, but who cares? Just no one cares. Andrew W.K. about the writing in an Andrew W.K. type of song. Nobody cares. We just want to have fun with it. A breakup song, I want to feel it in some way, and I felt it has to be unique because love songs and breakup songs got to be the top two types of songs or poetry or movies or stories ever written in human history. So it's hard to sound original while doing it. This sounded original. The way he said it, he felt like he's gonna tell himself he's got a different lie of how this isn't gonna work out, and he kind of blames destiny for it. Instead of like one of us just fucked up, it's more that our lives don't click that well in the end. Like towards the end, he kind of was saying how they just don't really mesh great. So it might just have been destiny that took you from me. It's a nice little twist. I like it. Let me know what you guys think of drugs. I think some of them are alright. If you are still here. Destroy, rebuild until God shows. Still good. That's clever. I like it. Don't do drugs. Weed's not a drug. Dave Chappelle, shout out.